5 seconds. Start. Reasons. Point number 1 and 2. These points are interrelated to each other, hence taken together for common discussion to avoid repetition of facts and appreciation of evidence. Full point. Next para. In order to prove the case of complainant, the complainant is examined as PW1 and also examined one witness in order to support of the case of the complainant and to prove the contents of exhibit P14. Full point. The PW1 produced as many as 30 documents. Full point. The complainant has produced the original check issued by the accused is marked as exhibit P1. Full point. Signature of accused is marked as exhibit P1 subclause A. Full point. The bank endorsement which is marked as exhibit P2. Full point. Office copy of the legal notice marked as exhibit P3, postal receipt and postal acknowledgement which are respectively marked as exhibit P4 and exhibit P5. Full point. The complainant has produced the RTC extracts which are respectively marked as exhibit P6 and exhibit P7. Full point. The unregistered agreement reduced into writing in stamp paper in between complainant and one which is in Marathi language marked as exhibit P8. Full point. It is its Kannada translation marked as exhibit P8 subclause A. Full point. The complainant has produced the pay in slips which are respectively marked as Exhibit P9 and Exhibit P11, statement of account of complainant marked as Exhibit P12. Full point. The complainant has produced the acknowledgement issued by the PS marked as Exhibit P13. Full point. The complainant has produced the unregistered agreement in between complainant and which is marked as Exhibit P14. Full point. The complainant has produced the acknowledgement issued by the PS marked as Exhibit P15, certified copy of the complainant given by the complainant before the PS marked as Exhibit P16. Full point. The complainant has produced the certified copy of the FIR in crime number 76/19 marked as Exhibit P17. Full point. Endorsement issued by the PS marked as Exhibit P18, the certified copy of the spot mahazar, statement of witnesses, certified copy of the charge sheet, which are respectively marked as Exhibit P19 to Exhibit P21. The complainant has produced the certified copy of the charge sheet in CC number 282/2020 marked as Exhibit P22.